Hello guys, welcome back at Son of Things, but for today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Canon Pixma not turning on. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Canon Pixma here and it's not turning on, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing here. So first things first is you may want to disconnect external devices here. Now sometimes connected USB cables or network devices can actually interfere with your printer, which in this case you want to unplug all external devices here from the printer and try again. And next is you want to inspect your power button. So in this case, press the power button firmly and make sure it's not actually stuck. Now it should move smoothly when you press it. Now sometimes if it's stuck or the power button is actually stuck, well in this case that's the problem here. And also, you may want to check your user manual here. So some Canon Pixma models have specific troubleshooting steps in the manual that you could do. And if you're not sure what to do, then in this case, check your user guide for model-specific advice. And next is you may want to power cycle your device here. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just unplug your printer here from the power source and just wait for about like 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if you can wait more, go ahead and then plug it back in and try turning it on and see if that actually helps. Now, also make sure it's properly plugged in or firmly plugged in, so either at the back of your printer or into the actual power outlet. Now, if you're using any extensions or power cord extensions, make sure to not use it. In this case, test to not use it, so plug it directly into the wall outlet and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, the final and last thing that you could try doing here is to basically contact Canon support. So in this case, it might be a deeper issue here. So reaching out to Canon customer support can actually give you, or they can actually give you, or walk you through more advanced steps here to arrange and repair, or basically to repair your printer here, or even arrange it with a repairman or a technician if needed. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.